Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sort by months in Power BI and Power Pivot with DAX. So let me show you quickly how to do that. Now, you know the situation, you have your sales value or some value in your visualization and you come along and you drop in the months, and what happens is it goes January, November, March because it's sorted by the value, and if we sort it by the months, it goes September, October, November, May, March, June. It doesn't go in the correct months order. So how do we overcome this? Well, let's go to our date table, and in our date table we're going to add a new column, and this column is going to just get the month's number from our date. So we will say months number, and it's going to be equal to the months of our date column in our date table, and hit enter, and this will give us a number 1 to number 12. Now if we go back into our visualization, and if we select months and select sort column by and say month's number, now this is going to sort by the actual month's number, so we can sort by months, and we have January, February, March, April going in the correct order, and you can see your sales going in the correct order by adding that new column using DAX. So this works in Power Pivot, it works in Power BI, and it works in tabular model. So don't forget to add a month's number. Now what you also find is if we drop in our date hierarchy, and in our date hierarchy, if we remove the quarters, the months, and the days, the months does actually come in the correct order for you. So that's in the most up-to-date version of Power BI. I'm not sure about Power Pivot, but definitely in the most up-to-date version of Power BI, if you use the date hierarchy that's created by Power Pivot and by DAX, well, then the months will go in the right order. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.